Homeowners seeking energy-efficient Windows Birmingham AL can transform comfort, curb appeal, and monthly utility performance with advanced products designed for Alabama weather. From hot summer afternoons to chilly winter mornings, energy-saving Windows Birmingham options, such as low-E glass windows, Birmingham AL, thermal windows, Birmingham Alabama, and high-efficiency Windows Birmingham, help reduce heat transfer, improve indoor consistency, and support long-term home value across the Birmingham metro. Energy-efficient windows. Birmingham is one of the most effective home improvement projects for aging, drafty, or damaged units in established neighborhoods and growing subdivisions. Whether you need home window replacement Birmingham AL for a classic bungalow in Southside Birmingham AL, modern insulated windows in Crestwood Birmingham AL, or new house windows Birmingham AL in expanding communities, professional window upgrade services Birmingham delivers stronger performance and a cleaner exterior finish. Insulated vinyl windows Birmingham AL remain a popular choice for homeowners who want durability, affordability, and reliable energy control in one package. Vinyl window replacement. Birmingham AL is low maintenance, resists moisture and warping, and works especially well for families comparing affordable window installers Birmingham while still wanting Energy Star windows. Birmingham AL and energy-efficient windows Birmingham that stand up to daily use. Double-pane windows. Birmingham create a powerful barrier against outside temperatures, road noise, and seasonal humidity. For households in Pelham AL double-pane window replacement projects, Centerpoint AL affordable window replacement plans, or Hoover AL insulated windows near Birmingham searches, double-pane construction offers practical insulation benefits that make rooms feel quieter, more comfortable, and more efficient year-round. Low-E glass windows. Birmingham AL are ideal for reducing solar heat gain without sacrificing natural light. Heat-reducing windows. Birmingham with advanced coatings help Birmingham homeowners protect flooring, furniture, and interiors from sun exposure while improving HVAC efficiency, making them a smart option for energy-efficient windows Birmingham AL, storm windows Birmingham Alabama, and custom replacement windows Birmingham projects throughout Jefferson County. AL replacement windows markets. Residential window installation. Birmingham services support everything from single-room upgrades to full exterior renovations across Birmingham and nearby communities. Window contractors. Birmingham AL can install casement windows, Birmingham Alabama, sliding windows Birmingham AL, and picture windows Birmingham Alabama in homes of many sizes, creating a tailored fit for architectural style, energy goals, and ventilation needs in neighborhoods throughout the city. Custom replacement windows. Birmingham offer flexibility for homeowners with older homes, unique openings, or a specific design vision. Irondale, AL custom energy-efficient windows. Fultondale, AL thermal window installation requests, and Gardendale AL residential windows. Birmingham area upgrades often benefit from made-to-order sizing and material choices that improve appearance while still delivering energy-efficient windows. Birmingham performance. Energy Star windows Birmingham AL are especially attractive for residents prioritizing efficiency, sustainability, and lower energy bills. Eco-friendly windows. Birmingham AL with certified performance standards can help reduce cooling strain during Alabama summers, making them popular in Helena AL energy-saving home windows projects, Pinson AL high-efficiency replacement windows searches, and Alabaster AL Birmingham Metro Window Company consultations. High-efficiency windows Birmingham are especially valuable for households dealing with direct sun exposure, uneven room temperatures, or rising utility costs. Heat-reducing windows Birmingham and low-E glass windows Birmingham. AL help block unwanted heat while supporting indoor comfort, making them a practical choice for south-facing homes in 5 Points, South Birmingham. Window installers service areas and energy-conscious upgrades throughout downtown Birmingham.